We're working on the grabber engineering notebook checklist. I'm working on the rethink section, part 1, double up explanation.
Right now I'm working on the apply part 2, notes on designing with scissor linkage.
Now I'm working on the apply section, part 2, notes on designing with scissor linkage.
I'll tell you one of my questions. One of my questions is, why was the build called MadBox? The answer is, MadBox stands for Mechanical Advanced Device. When I picked that, I got that correct.
Well, we just got done building the graph.
I'm working on building another, what's it called, the grabber again, with bigger parts, to see how it looks and how it works.
It has to be reinforced because it's going to break too. This is going to be interesting.
Are you ready? Come on! I'll hold it
This is our grabber. You can use it to pick up things, as you can see. And so for our project, we need to make it so that it's a scissor lift, the platform. This is our scissor lift. As you can see, it has wheels so that it can move around. And it also has a locking mechanism. So when you take off the locking mechanism, it can go up and down. It can go no shorter, and it can go higher.